Tired of OnlyFans rejecting your card? There's a workaround, and today I'm going to show you how to potentially use Cash App to unlock that content. First, make sure your Cash App account is verified and has sufficient funds. You can add money to your Cash App balance using a linked bank account or debit card. Tap the Banking tab. It's the icon that looks like a bank. Then, select Add Cash, enter the amount you want to add, and tap Add. If you don't already have a Cash App card, you'll need to order one. It's free. Once you receive it, activate the card within the Cash App. Now, the crucial part, go to the Card tab. It looks like a debit card icon. Tap on Show Card Details. Here, you'll find your virtual Cash App card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Head over to OnlyFans and navigate to the payment section of your account settings. Enter the virtual Cash App card details, the card number, expiration date, and CVV exactly as they appear in the Cash App. With any luck, your Cash App card will be accepted. Then you're free to enjoy OnlyFans. If this method does not work, then you may be restricted by Cash App.